Okay, so forget the cat stuck in a tree. A cat in Ascension Parish needed rescuing from a garage door.
Before we show you the pictures, we want to let you know the cat is safe and in good health tonight. That being said, look.
Oh, my goodness.
That cat.
Again, the cat is safe.
It's stuck between the garage door and the wall. The homeowner believes the cat might have been sleeping on the door when it closed. So a sheriff's deputy and some community members came and freed the cat. So happy ending, but man, cats can get into some mess, huh?
I guess. I don't know what I would have thought if I would have seen my pet wedged like that. But
I mean, my first thought was it's not good.
Right.
It turned out really well. So
Yeah.
I'm glad the cat got out of trouble.
9 lives.
Yeah.
True.
Used up one of them there, that's for sure.